Hello guys, I am Epete Santapatalo from class 4E, English Education, University Mahasaraswati. This time, I will make a video tutorial about photo frame from newspaper and cardboard. The first, we are play the material. The materials is, the first we are have newspaper, and then we are the cardboard, and then we are the cheater, and then we are skisher, and then we are glue, and the last stick to roll the newspaper. After the material has been prepared, we continue the way of manufacture. The first, we are roll the newspaper using a stick. Okay. So this is the for photo frame making. We can use 16 or 20 rolls like this. After that, we combine the calls into on by using glue. For example. After that, let's stand a few minutes for the glue to be really sticky. While waiting, cardboard sheets that fit the size of the photo. Example. This like. Now we cut the cardboard. Simple. Okay, like this. So now we stick the cardboard to the cardboard. We stick the cardboard to the cardboard that we have cut. So now guys, we get the rolls and etch it to the frame. Okay. Nah, like this guys. So that. Nah. Now we try sticking it on the wall or wall of the room. Okay. So finally, this is guys. Okay, so if you have goods at home, you can use with useful things. For what you like it, don't forget like and comment, subscribe, and share and your friends. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.